Well, hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Boy, do I have a fun appetizer slash dinner recipe for you. Look what I've made today, guys. I've made a nacho wreath. Oh yeah, I've kept it festive by using red and green tortilla chips. This is super easy, guys, and it is so delicious. All you do is layer cheese and chips and taco meat and cheese and chips and taco meat in a bundt pan, bake it in the oven, and then voila, look what you got. You can add whatever toppings you like. Yeah, it's just so fun. All right, guys, you will need some taco seasoning, which I have a shorts that I recently uploaded that shows you just how to make my homemade taco seasoning, and also some taco meat. And I also have a shorts on just how to make the taco meat. So you can go check both of those videos out if you like. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. So I am using a Mexican blend of shredded cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle it down on the bottom of my bundt pan. And I have lightly greased my bundt pan. And then I'm going to layer in the tortilla chips. And like I said, I'm using the red and green to keep it festive, but you can use whatever tortilla chips you like. And then sprinkle in some taco meat. More cheese. More chips. And we're just going to repeat this process until the bundt pan is full. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. So the nacho wreath is out of the oven, and now I'm going to flip it over onto a plate. All right. Ta-da! I've put some sour cream in a Ziploc bag, and I've cut the corner off so that I can drizzle it over top. And then I'm going to add some salsa, but you can add pico de gallo, guacamole, olives, anything you want really. So this is one of those dishes that you can just set at the table and everybody can just pick it apart. I love the crusty cheese. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a happy new year. God bless, and I will see you next year with some more delicious recipes.